Alright, what is going on today, guys? This video is just going to be a jumbled mess, given that we got a ton of snow outside, well over a foot outside actually. And I got clips from the last few days of me putting on the Rally Mudflaps and cleaning up the snow outside in the driveway, and just a bunch of random little clips that I'm going to throw in before we get to the main part of this video. But as you can see, I got a set of winter wheels and tires. Those are actually my OEM wheels from the car. Now, as for the Rally Mudflaps, as you can see, I got this side on. I'm currently working on the last one on the driver's side front. So this is a front, as you can see, and it has 3 bolting locations, all of which are OEM to the car or original holes on the car. Now, I've used stainless steel screws with washers that just go onto the back of the flap like this. Now, these are Rokblokz Rally Mudflaps, and they've been holding up really great. This is going to be the 3rd winter with them on, and I mean, I cleaned them up, but I mean, they've definitely held up, and I would highly recommend these. Go ahead and check them out. I think these are the universal normal length. I think you get away with the short versions, but the normal length's not bad. Here are the 2 bolting locations on the outside, and I can't really show you guys one on the inside, but it's in the back. And this is the style ratchet I use. It's this very small cobalt kit. I'll show you guys in a second when I'm done. Alright, so there's a completed product. As you can see, kind of bends it back in the back there, but works fine. Ran it for 2 years, no issues, and they definitely stay on nice and tight. Now for the back, I have a slightly different setup. The 2 outside bolts go right into the bumper. The inside bolt goes into a nut on the other side, so there's nothing attaching it to the car on the inside, but underneath, as you can see right there, it connects to the brackets. They actually don't look too bad since the wheels poke out quite a bit. You don't see that much flap hanging out. Here is the cobalt kit I was talking about. As you can see, it's the right angle bit driver. It has a whole bunch of different bits in it. We actually use it to take the hardtop bolts on and off the Jeep, so definitely pretty useful. So this is what it is a little over 24 hours later. Currently we have about 10 inches of snow on the ground, which is a bit ridiculous considering it is the end of November, November 25th to be exact. So yeah, this is going to be fun clearing off my car. I already did it once earlier, so the majority of it is gone. But doing the 10 inches on the driveway is going to be a bit brutal because, again, the snow is blowing sideways. So yeah, this is going to be fun. So I made it this far before running out of gas, and it is a pain in the ass trying to move this snow. It's pretty warm outside, so it's pretty wet snow, but still got a little bit more to do. Plow hasn't even come by yet, so whenever he does that, I'm gonna have to go out and finish down by the street. Got the Elantra halfway cleaned off. It's so wet of a snow that it's pretty much stuck to it, but it's a start for tomorrow. But look what the plow did. I know he's gonna come back and do another swipe or 2, but that's like 2 feet of snow in places. Then I have to make a path so these cars can get out in the morning. Now, since we got that other part of the video out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at the new winter tires on, of course, the OEM wheels. Now these are 215/45/17 Hankook Winter Sept Evo 2s. Looking online, I really can't find much about these tires, at least here in the US. I mean, Canada seems to still have them in this size, but there are very few sizes or information available about these tires, but I did find them from like a random discount tire on eBay. Again, these probably aren't the best winter tires or even close to Blizzaks, but again, they're going to replace the crappy Hankook all seasons I had on the car. Those were just awful tires, and hopefully these are a lot better than those, given that they are dedicated winter tires. I did actually sell those used tires, and I'm glad they're gone. Definitely gave me a little bit of money to put towards these, which actually didn't pay quite half of these. But anyways, I'm excited to try out these winter tires this year. I'm just hoping they're miles better than the all seasons I had on the car. And of course, they're probably gonna be better than the Nitto Neogens I got on there now, which are all season tires, but we really know 280 tread wear. They're definitely more summer or 3-season tires, to say the least. Now, unfortunately, with all the snow out there, the jack is in the basement, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and use the little crappy stock jack and do them one at a time. So I got the passenger side done and
successful. Please log into your Amazon account in the companion app.
Thanks. So I got the passenger side done, and it just makes you realize how kind of ridiculous the stock wheels look on this car. Man, I totally forgot how, I guess, aggressive the Evo wheels were in comparison to the stock Elantra wheels. I mean, the back's not too bad, but the front, I mean, I guess I do have a little bit extra camber, but man, that looks ridiculous. Definitely gonna miss the look of the Evo wheels, but hopefully something else is coming in the near future. I haven't picked anything out directly. I kind of want to get rid of these Evo wheels first, but I have been looking, so if I find the right deal, I'm definitely gonna pull the trigger on a different set of wheels for this car. Now, while I have the wheels off, I've been really doing a pretty decent job of cleaning in the wheel well area. Cleaning all the crap that's already built up down in there off, and cleaning behind the mud flap and the brake calipers, which have definitely been holding up good. If you guys haven't seen the painting video where I painted those with the Duplicolor kit, it'll be up in the corner for you guys to check out. But they've been holding up great, and I highly recommend that kit. Me, myself, and I, at least give it a try. Sometimes we're just ourselves and not with someone else. I see who you are tonight. I see who you are tonight. Maybe they don't want your love. Don't want your love. Don't want your love. You can keep your heart. I see who you are tonight. I see who you are tonight. Maybe they don't want your love. So the Evo wheels are all cleaned up and probably ready for a new home. I'll probably list these for sale tonight. Obviously I'm gonna start a little higher because, you know, why not if you can get the money. I might keep the tires if somebody offers me enough money for the wheels only. Because I'm gonna run an 18-inch again because I think it just looks good. And even if I went with an 8-inch wide, these tires would work fine. So I might keep the tires if somebody wants the wheels only. Otherwise, I'll just sell them as a set and either buy these again or wait for a deal to come up on a good set of 18-inch tires. Now, one other thing about these wheels is I would not be opposed to powder coating a different set of wheels again. This color looks great. You know, I might switch it up next time depending on the design of the wheel and the condition of the wheel as well that I end up getting. But I really like this high gloss gray metallic and would definitely recommend for someone with a lighter color car.